Hola, sharp videos at Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SAD Ski. I hope everyone is having a great one. Before we jump ahead with today's news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section. On this one today, we got you. Olisanda wanted more game time at Orlando Pirates. We know what Olisanda has seen himself being sidelined for more than a full season, where Mbekazeli Mbogazi was doing a great job in that central defense position, and as well as linking with Siema, or sometimes linking with CBC, which is known as Upodlela. So that has seen Olisanda and Thabisa Sasane being sidelined by the team, but Olisanda wanted more game time. The club respects Nda's desire for the increased minutes on the field and acknowledges his honest engagement with management throughout the process. A club statement read, "It is in spirit of mutual respect that an amicable decision was reached. The 28-year-old central defender Pirates stats is Olisanda has 1 goal to his name at the Orlando Pirates and 81 matches with the club." Please let me know what you think about this exit as we read the fans' comments on Olisanda as exit. This is Emmanuel Tego stating, "This is a very tricky and unfortunate decision, and is committed at Pirates anyway. Life goes on. Shame on injuries. That is why we see the exit." Now we look at another Orlando Pirates supporter that is commenting on the comment. Daniel Motabela: "I know the heartbreak you're feeling. It's just about them leaving. It's about how long you stayed where love was quite or missing. Hoping your effort will turn into care. Most people never realize that the real pain isn't rejection, it's losing yourself while trying to be someone else these days. But Olisanda gave us a beautiful game and showed the club's respect, and he wishes him all the best in where he goes." Let's read one more comment from a supporter of Orlando Pirates speaking about Olisanda's departure. "Olisanda was a player who showed a lot of character, and I think it was too early. Maybe we should have loaned him out rather than letting him go as a exit. Maybe he could have gotten game time to other teams, but those are the news." Please make sure you smash that subscribe button, notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section. Tonight's
game against the Buccaneers. Billy. Oh, that's goal bound. That is